Hello everyone, this is Muhammad Fathi from another video from your favorite course, Analytical SQL. Today we will have an example for lecture 5, which was talking about rank, the difference between types of rank, how to use it. This lecture will take a part of a lot of business examples that we use it a lot in our work, in our interviews, in everything. Actually, this is one of the most important examples that we will solve this course. Let's go to the first case, which is saying, please tell me what is the top 3 salespeople in each region. Why we want to know the first 3, we will add them, for example, in a competition, we'll take them some reward for every region. If you can read this data, the data is talking about the sales ID of the salesperson, and his name. Each salesperson is only repeated once, so it's aggregated table, its region, and its sales amount. I want to know who is the top 3 in every region. How to do this with rank? Actually, rank will give us a very advantage that it will make it so easy for us. So you can select what you want to select, for example, salesperson, region, and sales amount. Then I want to rank them. So what rank should I use? He asked you to get 3 people, not 3 ranks. If he told you 3 ranks, you will use dense rank to get the 3 ranks, whatever, how many people. But here he told you 3 people. Why you don't use row number? Because I don't want to give some rank that's not accurate. If 2 people got the same sales amount, I want to give them the same rank, even if I will take only 3 people. Okay, okay, then let's go. Here we will use rank. How to use it? What do you want rank? I want rank for every region, so partition by region. And what you want to rank about? Like you want to rank for what? I want to rank by the sales amount, so you must say order by sales amount. As rank, as row numbers, or for example. Let's run this. Okay, we didn't say from what table, from sales data rank, and can we run this? Yes. So I see that it ranked for the lowest sales amount, give him rank 1. Do I want this? No. So I will add here word descending. To rank the people descending. The high sales amount will take row number 1. Okay. And now, is this the output you need? No. You see, for example, this department, Alice and Charlie got rank number 2, and they got the same rank. Okay. So, we want to say where row number is smaller than or equals 3 to get the top 3 ranks. So I will say where row number smaller than or equals 3. If I run this, will it run? No. Why? Because the where condition is executed before the select. The RN was declared in the select, and the where condition doesn't see the select. Why? Because there was no select at this time. So, how can we overstand this? We can't use, but we want to use it. So you will make it on 2 steps. You want to make this where condition can see the select. So you will add the CTE first with any name. Ranked sales, for example, as an open bracket. And here you will close this bracket. And now you save the output. And it was already made before the where condition because it's a CTE. And here in the where condition, you will say select asterisk from sales data rank where row number smaller than 3. Okay. Sorry, not this. You need to name it the CTE, so rank sales and run. Now, it got you every region, the top 3 people in it. Okay, but this RN is not good for the business. He will not understand it. So you can, for example, rename it. So I want a salesperson, sales region, sales amount, and RN as, for example, person rank. Okay, now it's more organized, accurate, and ready to be given to the business. Okay, Now let's go to case number 2. Are you ready? Yes, I am. I hope you too. Okay, here, and instead of telling you I want the top 3 people, I want the most 30 percentage of employees. Okay, 30 percentage of employees. How can we do it? Let's solve it like last time. Okay, we can start by making the CTE because we already understand it will be done on 2 steps. Okay, as an open to bracket. Select what you want to select. For example, I don't need the employee ID, I want just employee name, performance score. And now, will we use normal rank? No, he wanted as a percentage, so we will use percent rank. Percent rank. Okay, you want over a certain region, a certain department? No, you want it for all the companies, so we'll not make partition by. But wait, you need to give it what column it will calculate the percentage rank for. So you will only put order by performance score descending to give the highest performance rank, the lowest percentage. Okay, as percent rank, for example. Let's select and run this alone. Oh no, this one. You can just select it and run it alone. You forget to put the forum condition, employee performance rank. Okay, and then we can select this line alone and run it alone. Here it gives us the output. Do you want to display this percent rank on this? No, I want to round it, for example, so I can round to, okay, sorry. Here it gives us the required and percentage. Now I want to display only 30%, so I want to display only those 3 rows only. Now we can select asterisk from employee, oh, ranked employee, sorry. Again, I fall on the same mistake. Okay, where percent rank is less than 0.3. Okay, we can also multiply here by 100 to display it as a percentage and make it smaller than 3. Okay, now we got the output. Sarah was the percent rank for it 0 because she was the first one, and Alice and Charlie, and this is the percent rank, and now we displayed the top 30 percentage. Okay, now what about the third case? The third case is really so important. Very important, actually. Case 3 says, I want every customer and his last order only. This case, we use it a lot in our work. We use it a lot in everything related to our data and analytical SQL. Why? Because sometimes you have the customer and a lot of orders, but you want just the last one. So how can we get it without making a subquery group by where condition that date is equal max date for this customer and correlated subquery and screw up the performance? How to do it easily in rank? Okay, first we want to rank the order date and get only the last date. Which rank function we will use? You can use anything, but if you have duplicate order date, you want to get only the last one, so you will use what? You will use row number because it will also remove the duplicates, and this is the very good advantage. Actually, it will be done with row number. So you will do 2 in 1. Select the last order date and remove the duplicates. With latest order as and open the bracket. Select what you want to select. For example, the customer name. I don't need the order ID. Order date. Order amount. And now we need to put the row number over. Okay, partition by. You need the last order for each employee. So you'll partition by customer name. Okay, order by. Order by what? You need to row number by what? I want to make the row number by the date to get the last date, order date. Okay, now we can run this alone as we know. Oh, selected. Okay, let's run this. Again, don't forget the from condition every time. from customer order. And now we can run this alone. Now it orders. The first date gives number 1, the last date gives number 3. Is this what we want? No. So we'll put this setting here, and now we are good to go. Here, the last date for this customer took row number 1. Now we only need to select asterisk from latest order where rn equal 1. Now it will give us the last order and we are good to go. But is the customer interested about rn equal 1 for all? No. Is the customer interested for a column called order date? No. So let's just manipulate the data a little. Instead of selecting asterisk, we'll select a customer name, order date, but this is not the order date. This is the last date. So you rename it. For example, order amount as last order or last order amount. And you don't need to select the row number, and now we can run, and here we got that very good output to show it to our customer. It give us the customer name, last date of his order, and the last order amount he made. And we are good to go now. Thank you for watching this video. Waiting for you for another video for lecture 6. It will be very interesting and hoping you understood. If you need any question, if you need to contact me, you got my email, you got my LinkedIn in the description below. Thank you everyone. See you in the next course. Bye.